this $3 trillion goal, and it's an extremely ambitious goal. Forget about your annualized growth rate of 13-14%. If you take into account your rupee depreciation, you're looking at 17-18%. And this is year on year for 22 years. It's a very, very, very ambitious goal. But the thing is, if you aim at that sort of galaxy, you will be able to get through some sort of critical mass, which will take you to places which you haven't otherwise been taken. So I believe, in terms of a stretch goal, this is like a clarion call to the entire state, its network of innovators, entrepreneurs, policymakers, to try to figure out what is it exactly, what it is the constraint which prevents us going there. I'll just add to that, you asked me to talk about challenges. I think the challenges, our Honorable Deputy CM has stated very clearly. We cannot get there by building more stadia, we cannot get there by building more roads. That will at best take us to 1 trillion, and even that is in doubt. Because after a point you have diminishing returns. The idea is, and as both Aditya and Prasanna have very eloquently argued in their own document, our vision document which will be released today. The idea is you need to increase your own productivity. That secret sauce which allows people to provide more innovation and more output per hour, per capita. And for that, there is no way out but to actively encourage the best in the world to come, set up shop here, create new ideas, create new products, and somehow create an innovation ecosystem. Just like John F. Kennedy, by making a public pronouncement of making a man on the moon, somehow made it happen. We need to, keeping such a stretch goal, need to make this happen just by making all of us conscious and utilizing all of our bandwidth to ensuring that we don't just do our best, but we have the context to do our best. Thank you.